Hey, it's John Marc, and thanks for checking out this latest videos on teaching you how to draw cartoons in 3 easy steps. That's right, anybody. You can even challenge your brother or your sister, or maybe your mom or your dad, anybody in your family for that matter. So, well, make sure that you have all the stuff ready to begin. As I say, do you have your pencil? Check. Do you have some paper? All right, we're ready to begin. All right, let's have some fun. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final 3rd step. Now that was a fun lesson, and I hope you enjoyed it. What I'd like you to take home with this lesson is, now I'm going to challenge you. So you see the little jumping? Now you create something that she's going to jump into. Is it going to be a background of the ocean, or a background of the pool, or maybe a little, like a cup of water or something like that? Whatever you do, use your imagination. That's the challenge for this lesson, and thanks for watching it. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, I greatly appreciate you if you click that little subscribe button. And to all my buds who have, thanks, and have a great day. Don't forget to visit our website. That's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, maybe you should take a look at our bookstore and download or purchase How to Draw 50 Different Fish.